position and altitude hold on your FPV drone. All of us FPV pilots love this hobby because it gives us freedom. Freedom in flying. Whether it's cinematic dives, freestyle, or crazy flights, we love flying in acro mode, but it's also nice to have some safety features. For example, a stop button in a critical situation. If you want to set this up on your FPV drone, follow these instructions. First, update your firmware to a latest one. Choose altitude hold and position hold here. Then load the firmware and flash it. Connect. How-to modes. Set alt hold and push hold to the same button. I use GFPV3 controller and I set a left stop button for it. The same as on Avata 2. So if you want, you just copy it, then go to CLI. This is for those who don't have a compass magnetometer. So you need to type this here. Then type save and enter. All done. Please drop a like if you learned something new.